Gotta make sure I protect the dome. Good morning, Isaiah here with Woodlands Power Washing. I know it's been a while. Took a little vacation for Father's Day, and we're back with washing. So, welcome back. Thanks for joining. Pretty straightforward house today. Me and the chickens. Pretty straightforward. Gonna take y'all along for the ride. Hope everybody had a good Father's Day. And we're gonna get right into it. Should be about an hour. And we're off. Got everything fired up. The client had some concerns about this little spot. And of course we got the north side where this shouldn't be a problem. We know how to clean. Let there be soap. Just gonna let that sit for a little bit. Should be about 90 today. So I think my favorite thing about the cleaner is that the spider webs just melt right off. Every house has spider webs, so a lot of people don't know that another benefit to doing a house wash is that you don't get bugs. For a while at least. They don't like the bleach, the SH, and they like the cleanliness. Got a little happy with the soap. So, happens all the time. Pre-rinse, post-rinse the cars. It's just usually when they're super nice cars, I just tell people, just go ahead and move it. Just move it. Don't tell me to wash it, clean it, do anything to it. Just always a safe bet. Now we made it to the backside. I'm gonna turn the soap on. We're gonna knock all that out, give it some time to work, and then backtrack and rinse everything back down. I've been here since 9, it's been 30 minutes. So it's not bad, 30 minutes first half, 30 minutes second half, and then there's soap. Goodbye, spiderweb. Or you will be dead when I come back. You can see that melting off. We'll let that sit, and let's go ahead and move up on the porch. So it's been exactly 8 minutes since we put the chemical down. And look at that. It's a hot day. I gotta probably get the gutters one more time. It's 72, super humid, but we're gonna go ahead and rinse on this side, make our way back to the front, and then call it good. It came off some, but I'm gonna chemical the gutters again, so it kind of breaks up that top layer and gets to the bottom. That way I don't have to do too much pressure on it, more just let the chemical do the work. Yeah, we'll just let that sit for a while. Let it break up so it's a little easier to clean. Because I can tell that the gutters are full, but we are not doing a gutter clean out today. If I had to have one thing that I despise in this business, is gutter clean outs. Because I feel like there should be something better than what's currently on the market to clean them. But I know it's important. So I purposely did not speed this part up of the video, and the reason for that is I want to show you all how I really move with efficiency and just not wasting any movement, no wasted, I call it economy of motion. Yeah. And we had a client who was upset that we were too fast and it was a rush job. He was upset. He was like, oh, this is just a lot of house. I didn't think y'all be able to do it. And it reminds me of the principle of, well, if I just tell you it took longer, or go sit in the truck, take an hour lunch break, can I charge you more? So people kind of get that price with hourly rate sometimes, and it's interesting because we do good work, we have good equipment, good chemical, we have the knowledge, but also you can see how well I move when it comes to actually washing a home, especially a basic home. And I'm not rushing, I'm not caring about my work. It speaks for itself. But people are always going to be people, and you just have to deal with them, and that's part of the job. Everywhere you go, really, you're going to deal with people. And I thought it was an interesting story. I wanted to tell y'all that I didn't speed this up, and the client thought I was moving too fast, but the work was still fantastic. Just trying a new angle there. Always want to see what the best like POV shots are. Rainbow. I promise. That'll do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe and on to my next job. But you get the picture. Everything is clean. The house gave me no problems. We're gonna move on to the front, knock that out. And again, thank you. Please subscribe, like the video, and until next time, y'all.